There is a problem with all the iPhone 12s, but no, it's not a hardware or software issue. We haven't even gotten to damn phones yet. I'm talking about a problem of value. But I know how to fix it. If you don't know by now, Apple is no longer including a charging brick or earbuds. As a matter of fact, they're not including the 3.5mm to Lightning, which you'll lose anyway, in the upcoming iPhone 12s.
Are you me?
Even the entry-level 12 mini won't have it. Now, Apple gave a few reasons on why they did this. It really sounds sus. But seriously, they said it was to reduce the carbon footprint in the world. Okay. And that the boxes will be smaller so they can fit more on the pallet to ship. Why is that our problem? Oh, and also, we have apparently way too many charging bricks, and sending out less in the world would help that. Okay, but answer me this, Apple. Why is the cable Lightning to USB-C? How many of those plugs do people have lying around? Why, Apple? I'll wait. Okay, no, I'm not gonna wait because you really need my answer. Did you know that it's already been 5 years since we lost the headphone jack? Now we're losing the charging brick and the earbuds. My guess is they're gonna eliminate the cable next year when they get rid of the charging port.
What? No way, you're wrong! You're so dumb!
If you really want my take on that issue, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down below if you would buy an iPhone if they got rid of the charging port. Now, I don't think they will, but it's gonna happen at some point, but that's for another video. So now when you buy your iPhone 12, you're gonna need to buy wireless earbuds, if you don't have them. Well, guess what? Apple has those. Just walk right over there or click right here. You can buy the Apple Airpods for $159 if they stay in your ear. Oh, and if you want them to charge wirelessly, that's gonna be another $40 for the wireless charging case. And they're still not the Airpods 2. Or you can go big for another $249, get the Airpods Pro. They're not really pro, but they do have some cool features if they stay in your ears. I actually have a video on that and how I fix those. I'll put a link up top and in the description. Well, next you're gonna need that charging brick. Now there isn't much of an option here. It's a 20-watt USB-C power adapter, $19. Now, my guess is if you're at the store or you're online, it's gonna immediately pop up and say, hey, do you know we have the new MagSafe charger for only additional $39? And you can observe the power of magnets.
Yeah, bitch! Magnets! Oh!
Wait, does that come with a charging brick? Nope. You're still gonna need to buy a brick for that as well. USB-C too. And you thought you'd be able to leave this at your nightstand at your desk? Wrong. You're gonna need 2 of those USB-C charging bricks. Oh, and because the batteries didn't get any bigger, you might need an external charger to go with that. Now they got those starting at $30 all the way up to $200. Also, don't forget, you wanna protect your phone, so you should pick up one of their MagSafe cases for $49. Oh, and a screen protector, right? They have those starting at $20 all the way up to $50. You want the best for your $700 plus iPhone, don't you? So after this giant shopping spree, just for the accessories, $570. Now, if you went budget, it'd be about $335 additional bucks. Now, if you went with no case and no screen protector, we're about $270 extra on top of what you paid for already on the phone. Well, I have a better option. One word. Anker. Now, everything I'm about to talk about in this video is linked in the description if you want to go ahead and pick some of these up. Now, if you have followed my channel, you know that I always use Anker for all my power and cable needs. More recently, I started using them for my earbuds as well. So let's go ahead and start with that audio portion. They have Soundcore, which is a sister company, and some of the best earbuds and headphones out there, and they don't cost an arm and, well, a leg. Now they have budget options for wireless as low as $50. Now for this video, I'm gonna go a little bit higher and suggest some of my absolute favorite to this day, and they're the Liberty 2 for $99. Hands down, the best wireless earbuds that I own. So last week, Anker sent out this really cool box labeled New iPhone Fast Charging Essentials. Did they know something? So we've got 3 times faster than your old charger, And it looks like they got a couple stats here. And here we go with a little list of everything that is in here and what you can charge with these cables and, well, apparently plugs. So first they included this little power brick, which looks very similar to those Apple 5-watt ones. However, this is not 5 watts. This is 20 watts. This bad boy does not mess around, so you can go ahead and charge with your USB-C and you're pretty much ready to go. And it's a lot smaller than those big boys and won't take up as much room. Okay, so maybe you think that isn't good enough because they're the same price. How about one with 2 USB-C ports on the bottom and a foldable plug that you can use to store when you go on the road for 26 bucks. Don't want 2 USB-C ports? You've got a USB-A? Well, they have one with a USB-C and a regular USB high speed, and that one's only $22.99. And let me tell you, these cables are absolutely awesome. I actually pulled my 4Runner with one of these cables. No joke.
Oh yeah. She's going.
See, I told you. I'll put a link to that video down in the description. It was pretty awesome. So the first cable that they gave me here is USB-C to Lightning, just like the one you get in your phone. Now, this one obviously looks a little longer, and it is braided, and I'm gonna be honest with you, their braided ones are better than any Apple cable I've ever owned. Now, the other one they threw at me here just to check out is USB-C to USB-C, because if they don't get rid of the Lightning port next year, it might be USB-C. So I have other things that are gonna be coming that are USB-C, so this will help. And even though this isn't braided, this is still a killer cable. Now, I actually didn't know this until I looked it up a while ago, but cables are actually rated depending on the speeds that you need. Some don't charge at a higher rate, so if you've got a high-speed charger and a cable that's just a dollar store cable, it's not gonna charge as fast as you think. So you're gonna blame your phone, you're gonna blame your charger, but it's probably your cable. Now, beyond these, they make some awesome cables, and they come in a ton of styles and sizes depending on what you need. Now, if you need to charge on the go, Anker has a ton of options. They even got a new wireless charger that's only 36 bucks. I gotta get my hands on those. Now, again, if you've been on the channel for a long time, I have reviewed a ton of their chargers. I'll go ahead and leave a playlist down in the description. You can go ahead and check that out. And just for reference, they range from $19 to just $50. You don't need to spend $200. You will not be disappointed in any that you choose. Now, obviously, nobody has anything like MagSafe just yet. I'm sure those are coming around the corner. So I'll just do some wireless Anker stuff, and they have a ton of these too. They also range from about 12 bucks to 50. Now, sadly, Anker doesn't sell any cases or screen protectors, but if they did, I'd probably buy those too. So, just as a side note, for cases, I highly recommend Spigen. They're my go-to as well. I've used them forever. Links down below. So, my grand total using all the Anker products to do what Apple didn't want to do with the phone, but would be happy to have you pay for it, is $182. 90 bucks less. Just to be clear, I didn't go with all budget items on these things either, so you could probably get that price down another 30 to 40 bucks if you want to save more money. Listen, I'm still going to get the iPhone, but the point of this video, of course, is to call Apple out on these issues and to let you folks know to pay attention so you make sure you don't get ripped off having to buy what Apple suggests to you to buy. Now, I don't see Apple ever adding these things back in, sadly. In fact, I see other companies following suit once they get wind of how much they're truly saving on the bottom line by doing what they're doing. So when you see all of our unboxings in the next week or so, it will be a little less exciting to hear us say, let me go ahead and put this phone to the side and see what else is in the box. Okay, earbuds I'll never use, and this tiny brick, which I won't use. And I'll leave the cable in here and find it next year when I need another cable. Yes, I am aware that every normal person will actually take those out and use those things. So while you wait for my first impressions of the new iPhone 12s, again, check out this video right here. I did recapping the iPhone 12 event. Of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. You guys take it easy and have a great day.